So now let's talk about common grammar mistakes to avoid. So I'm not trying to take you back to your English class, but of course I'm trying to mention some things that you can use, of course, or you can avoid, when writing your articles. There is what you call the subject-verb agreement. So I'm going to give you an example, for it to make sense. So the cat sits on the mat. Now, here another example. The cat sits on the mat. So the cats, for example, if here was, cats, plural, sits. So the verb sits most of the time goes with singularity. Yeah. So that's why that's wrong. The correct version is the cat sits on the mat. The cat sits on the mat. So the singular verb cat, the singular subject cat agrees with the singular verb sits. Yeah. So you need to pay attention to that. Another thing is the proper use of punctuation. So you need to use using proper punctuation is essential for clear communication in writing. So punctuation, remember, helps you clarify meaning, indicate process, and of course separate ideas. For example, I went to the shop but I forgot my wallet. Now if you remove the comma here, you mess everything up. So using that comma there helps separate related clauses. Yeah. Then we have the pronoun usage. So this is another mistake. So pronouns are words that take the place of nouns. So proper pronoun usage involves using the correct pronoun form, such as a subject pronouns or object pronouns, and ensuring that the pronoun agrees in number and gender with its antecedent. So for example, she gave the book to him. So you need to use the subject pronoun she and object pronoun him. Yeah, she gave the book to him. Now we need the next mistake that you need to avoid is run-on sentences and sentence fragments. So this mistake occurs most of the time when two or more independent clauses are joined without proper punctuations or conjunctions. So sentence fragments occur when a sentence is missing a subject, verb, or complete thought. So an example is I went to the shop, or I went to the store, I forgot my wallet. So run on sentence, and of course, because I forgot my wallet, that's the sentence fragment. So by avoiding these common mistakes, you can improve your clarity and of course effectiveness of your writing. Remember, these are not the only ones. There are very many mistakes that you need to look out for. So make sure you keep learning.